I will talk about how can you delete your account on your Opera app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on account down here. When you just click here on account, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here, click here on settings. When you just click here on settings here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on privacy. When you just click here on privacy, so then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here, click here on account deletion here. So you click here on accept, then it's going to, when you click here on accept, it's going to take you to this list. Enter your phone number or email, then it's going to delete with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.